Good morning. Assalamu alaikum. Shaima Sheikh this side. Welcome to another video. So today I'm here to make one video that is not only for working professions, not only for the professional life, but yes, definitely that will be also helping you into day-to-day life, into your personal life as well. Okay, so stay tuned, stay connected. Please do connect me on Instagram. Please do follow me on Shaima Speaks is my Instagram handle. Even do like, share, comment, subscribe, watch till end. It's a humble request. Okay, so today's topic, what I will be sharing you the information, that is leadership. So many a times you have heard about leadership, right? So when we talk about leadership, so there are two words which have been merged, that is lead plus ship. Okay, you have many a times heard about this thought or sayings that leaders are the one who lead by the examples. Okay, so of course yes, leaders are the one who lead by examples, not only just commanding the team or a team members or a group of people, no, but yes, following such things, being the example, setting one example that can follow everyone, of course that person is known as leader. Because leadership is a quality which some are get born, like it's a quality basically. Okay, some has at the time of born, some just improve themselves, some learn themselves, some try to be leaded. Okay, because leadership is a quality that cannot be built in a one single day or a one single moment. Okay, that require multiple factors. There are multiple factors which are also involved. Okay, when I talk about multiple factors, definitely setting the examples, like leading the team first of all. Not only leading the team just by commanding, but quality into a quantitative manner. Okay, how quality matters. So just commanding, just be loud, that is not the leadership quality, right? Only just shouting at the team and saying this has to be worked, this has to be done at this particular time. So the thing is, major factors to become a leadership is taking the responsibility. Not just taking only the responsibility, but taking care of the team, what's required, how much things are required, what should be the mindset, what should be the thought process. And every leader has this quality, to be honest. Responsibilities, playing roles, checking individuals what they have the requirements in terms of anything. Let's take an example. Even in our family, there are leaders. A small example, a father or mother or brother, okay, who is actually ruling the house, who is actually taking care of it, who is actually looking into it, managing our own all expenses, right? Not only managing expenses, but also caring us, looking forward to us with us, like what are the requirements, okay, and checking, planning something else, thinking for future, many more things, right? If we talk about the professional life, definitely like entrepreneurs especially, So when we talk about entrepreneurs, so they have the factor called risk taking factor, which is very much essential. Risk taking factor, right? Where risk is not only terms of business, it's not only terms of working, but yes, taking risks, looking into it, finalizing thing, and then taking a decision that it will work for a team or not. Okay, so I'm just making short videos, okay, like it's 5 minutes, 7 minutes, okay. Just comment down like you required more longer video, more explanation you want, okay. So I will try to make a long video as well, okay. So yes, thank you for watching this video. Stay connected on Instagram. Love you. Allah Hafiz.